welcome back to Top Flight Family. In this video, we're going to share with you our trip to the Cartwright, a new indoor water park in the Catskills in New York. If you're new to our channel, my name is Carmen, we're the Sognonvi family, and we're all about fostering togetherness as a family by experiencing new adventures in New York City where we live and all around the world because we love to travel. So if that sounds good to you, please subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video.
Got my coffee cup to go, and I'm gonna hit the road tonight. Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air.
This is like the other one. Like great one? Yeah. Ooh, what's this? It's a bathroom. What's this?
Whoa,
Sorry.
careful.
It's a closet. What's this? We got our own fancy kitchen!
Very
And
nice.
kitchen. And living room. And the balcony. I'm going at the phone.
Very nice. Oh, you can see the water park.
Yeah, I know. You can see it from here too. Ah. Inside and out. Whoa, this is pretty damn big.
Wow, this is a very big
Yes.
building. There's a whole other side to the deck. This is really nice. Here's our cabana.
Cabana in a water park. So bougie. Wow.
Oh, nice. Oh, and there's a fan. Oh, there's a TV.
Look.
Oh, nice.
Chips. Oh, my towel.
With you, yeah. I've been a cynic for so many of my days. Now you just my makeup believer out of me, 'cause you look so pretty in the sunrise, and somehow now everything is alright. I feel like every word is so translucent, so real. Oh, won't you tell me how you do it? Now I'm high at the bars in the room, surrounded by people I couldn't care, yeah. But nobody but you, swear. When we know, baby, dead, give in to the moment.
This is something that they don't have at Kalahari or Great Wolf. Okay, so we finished dinner and we hung out outside a little bit, and now it's time for dessert.
This is like the best machine ever. So pretty much you take this button, you spin it, and then I think if you get an 100, you might win a prize. Or you can just get one of these prizes, and they're humongous squishies. First thing we do tomorrow is just doing this. I'm gonna do it consistently until I get one. Anything from there, if I get it, I'm gonna be so happy.
Coming to the Cartwright, definitely bring closed-toe shoes for the whole family, because there's a lot of activities and games here that you actually need closed-toe shoes to participate, like laser tag, the VR experience, and also the rope course and the climbing walls. All of those you need closed-toe shoes. So unfortunately on this trip we only brought flip-flops and slides for everyone.
And 4 beads inside. This, fish ball. This.
Pizza gummies.
I got this. It's a finger gun. A gummy burger.
Nice.
And a fish ball.
I never said I was ready, but ready for what comes ahead. You said that you were with me. I wonder how we did forget. Some days were forever, and now it's been too long. Been too long. I wish that we could turn back time, back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. I miss when we were teenage girls and now tomboy t-shirts. When life was good and I wore out sneakers. When we were fine about the complications. Those were the days in the tomboy t-shirt. Dirty on my jeans, sing good old slide. Floating through the street, holding your hand tight. Dirty on my jeans, sing good old slide. Floating through the street, I wish that.
Hanging out with your friends.
So this cabana is even better than the last one. One, because we have, the last time we had like 4 bags of chips. And now we have 12. And we have a new flavor. Smokehouse barbecue.
That YouTube transition though.
Perdidos, sé lo que siento, pero tú no. Nos entendemos haciendo el amor. No hay nada más que eso, estamos perdidos, perdidos.
We got up a little bit too late to make it to the breakfast buffet, so we are basically having lunch instead. Yeah, although I'm having an omelet, so I'm sort of having breakfast. were so nice to the kids, right?
Yeah, he was